Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Z125 Pro. This beautiful condition Z Pro just came in with only 386 miles. Very nicely customized with adjustable levers, bar end mirrors, and wait till you hear that awesome Yoshi pipe. It's got a fender eliminator. Better than showroom. Make your Z Pro dreams come true for just $44.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.